I am Quan Yin. You are the changers and the changed. You are changing. Breathing into your body. Let the breath simply roll through. Let the vibration of Quan Yin, the compassionate one, move through your being. You are in the divine flow. I am the divine flow. The compassionate energies that move through the earth at this time are greater than you can imagine. It is because of their presence on the earth and their materialization on the earth that there is so many toxins arising to be cleared. There is a clearing taking place on the earth. You must trust in that, and you must hold that within your own knowing. It is too easy to focus on the poisons as they release, to focus on the toxic behaviors of others. I am Quan Yin. You are the flowers of life. You are the buds opening. You are releasing and removing yourself from strife, second by second, breath by breath. Conscious breathing is a commitment to life, so says the channel. Conscious breathing is a commitment to the new life on the planet, to the living force, to the energy vibration frequencies of the high and of the divine harmony. I am Quan Yin. Holding the palms open now, draw the breath in. So we will ask you to draw the breath in, count to 5 or 6, and then release it with an ah. The ah is the vibration of the heart. This helps shore up your heart and helps heal the grief that has been running through all of your hearts. Draw it in as much as you can. Count to 5 and feel the lungs and the chest move. Hold the breath in, feeling the chest swell and the lungs swell. Filling your lungs, all the chambers of the lungs, from the very bottom, tippy bottom of the lungs, to the tippy top of the lungs. Fill them up as they are sponges. Hold the breath, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and release with an ah. When you find yourself moving into the ah, your body will begin to relax and release. Ah, when the sound of heart has taken over inside your being, when the sound of the heart swirls through your being and moves through your chakras. I am Quan Yin. In the next few breaths that you take, and remember to fill the chest, puff it out, hold it as much as you can, like a little penguin with a puffed out chest, and hold on to it, then release it with the ah. And when you release it with an ah, feel it swirling out of your navel. So as you release your breath through your mouth, also release it through the second chakra. Fill the throat, fill the lungs, fill the chest. Hold the breath, release it with an ah. And imagine it's releasing through your navel, opening up your emotions and allowing you to be with your emotions, allowing them to move on the breath, allowing them to move gently and easily. I am Quan Yin, the compassionate one, with you. Let the light in. I am Quan Yin. And imagine spiraling out of your belly button, your navel, all those energies that need to dissipate, that need to change, that need to release energy. I am Quan Yin. Draw the breath in. Let the light in. Release, 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 release. I am Quan Yin. Let go of the burdens of life. Let go of the confusions in the mind. Let go of the thoughts of strife. Let go of struggle. Let go of adversity. I am Quan Yin. Let go of pain and let go of sorrow. Letting them go, letting them move through the navel of the body. You are all connected through the navel on the earth. It is part of the great growing of unity of individuals. When the universal light split itself into beings, into atoms of light, into individuals, there remained a connection through the physical birth and through the umbilical cord. The umbilical cord to the mother is a symbol of the umbilical cord that you share with the earth and with all beings of the earth. And so you feel the pain of all of the earth. You feel the sorrow and you feel the struggles. You feel the pain and you see it reflected in some lack within yourself. If I am feeling pain, if I am experiencing struggle, if I am seeing pain and solutions in my life that I cannot change, if there are innocents that I cannot protect, then there must be something wrong with me. And so deep within inside there is this feeling of the God-Goddess self being flawed. The God-Goddess self is omnipresent. You are divine. There are no flaws within you except the places that do not see yourself as spirit, as God-Goddess. And so as you breathe this evening, spiraling energy out of your navel, take your pointer finger and make spirals coming out of the navel, and imagine that you're releasing. You can begin to pull threads out of the navel and throw them towards the earth to be transformed. Throw them towards the earth as compost. Imagine tiny threads coming out of your navel and releasing any negative ties you have to anything. Oh yes, my dear children, you have chose to come into a dual world to understand wholeness. There's no better way to come to wholeness than to see separation, than to see fractured energies, than to see cracks and fissures and scars. By seeing those, you understand how to find the way back to wholeness. You remember wholeness, and eventually you remember the wholeness within yourself. I am Quan Yin. We are here. We are here in flow. We are here in the waters of the earth, the raindrops, the bubbles in a pool. We are here in the breath and the waters of your body and your cells. We are Quan Yin. Let the light in. Draw the breath in. We are Quan Yin. And drawing the breath back into the body, deeply, deeply. Drawing the breath into the body. Shake out the hands again. Hold the palms open to receive. We will ask you to tone now 2 times. 1 for the belly and 1 for the root. And on the last tone, feel your roots going down into the new, healed, whole, healthy Mother Earth. Make the tone low as your tone can go through your body. I am Quan Yin, 2 tones. I am Quan